What's up, guys? So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make money on WhatsApp. Or are you up there looking for a way to make money on WhatsApp? Yes, if your answer is yes, then guys, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you everything from scratch, how you'll be able to make money from WhatsApp. And guys, this application work worldwide, no matter where you are, no matter where country you're coming from. But my main focus will be on Nigeria and Ghana, especially Africa countries. Yes, I'll be able to make money on WhatsApp. So without all much, I don't want to make this video too long, because I realize that from the data shows that you people don't like watching long videos. So guys, I just want all of you to stick with me. And guys, when you stick with me, I'll provide a bonus tip at the end of the video. I'll be able to make more money than the one I do make on WhatsApp. And guys, you can be able to make up to $1,000 on WhatsApp, depending on how serious that you are on WhatsApp. So that much I say, I just want all of you to do some 3 things for me, then I'll to the videos fast. So guys, as you can see, this is my channel here. This is my guys Shapiro Asset. And guys, I do video about how to make money online. So when it comes to the videos, the video sessions, real quick, let's wait for okay. So you come to the video session, you can see I have a bunch of videos that talk about how to make how I make a lot of my money online. So guys, I get all of you to click on this red subscribe button and click on the red. So click on the bell icon below to be notified that I drop more videos. And guys, don't be expecting a video, but just be expecting videos about how to make money online. And guys, what something called Jumia KOL. And guys, what this means, before I will now I click on search. Okay, so click on search. Now I click on search, it should take you a page like this. And guys, what this thing means that it's like affiliate marketing program that we are going to talk about. And guys, what you can see here, let's just show you something real quick from here. Okay guys, when you can see here, I have a brief description here which I talk about what me being an affiliate marketing, and I said I will be showing you about how to do affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, social media marketing. And so my guys, this video my main focus will be on the affiliate marketing. So I'll be showing you how you'll be able to do affiliate marketing, as you can see here. So without much time I said, this video I'm going to show how you'll be able to market on WhatsApp. I know now mostly people do pay a lot of people post a lot of things on their WhatsApp saying that we are selling this and that. Don't worry, you don't have to own a product before you can make money online. And when you go back to my channel, so you can see I have a lot of videos, so that will help you about how to make money online. And I also have a video about here. All I need to do is just to click on the first link here. So let's just click on it to load real quick, and let me show you what we are going to do there, and the reason we are going to need the WhatsApp to do it. Let me just show you real quick. Okay guys, here you can see how it looks like. So you can see this was Jumia KOL program. Okay, so it says what? It says if you are a content creator, okay, influencer and affiliate, join us to earn commissions. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, so if you are any of the above, now what is required for you to do? The only thing required for you to do is to register. When you register, then you make an influencer, then you sell and you give you commission. And let's go to how it works. Now this is how it works. You can see it's also register, advertise and end. So guys, you can see it's very simple. Just register, advertise and earn money. Guys, I know most of you ask it, so am I going to advertise, am I going to earn money? And don't guys, just wait. I'm going to show you everything in this video from scratch, how you're able to go do all those things. So just relax, I'm going to show you everything from scratch. So with that much I say, let's just go straight to what. Guys, so when you're here, what we are going to do here is what, let's go to the top here. So this is the top here, click on this register button, as you can see on the top here. So click on register real quick. Let's just for it to load. Okay guys, so now you can see the result. We are here to register. So they require our first name, our last name, our email, our password. Okay, which is real quick. So let me just give them my first name real quick. So let me just give them something like Shapiro. Okay, that's my first name there. Let me just give them my second name, okay, which is I said. My email, okay, sorry. So my email, let me just give them this one. Now my password, let me just give them a random password. Okay. Now let's go down. Now guys, you can see you have something here. You can see this word select what your account type. I say select your account type. So they are asking us whether what you have the creator, which is starting from 5k members. So when you have any place, you have maybe you want to promote the products on your WhatsApp or maybe Facebook or maybe Instagram. You require to have 5k followers before you can be able to promote this stuff. And here you can be, unless you have about 100k followers before you can be able. That's the mega influencer. And here is the affiliate for individual and businesses. So we are going to go for this. So when you go for this, and they provide them with the country, you can see it automatically generates my country for me, because I've been using it. It's been a while. So I'm in Ghana, and there's my number here. And guys, I'm not sure of my number for some security reasons. And guys, so now they are demanding for your website and your social media. Now somebody asked me message, but I don't have a website. Guys, you can give them your maybe your Instagram address, or maybe your Facebook address, or any address I can give them. But those of you want to, you can even use my website name. You can see my website, so select or then copy. Okay, so let me just go back to, then I'll paste it here. So this is the name of my website. So those of you who want to use it, you are free to go with it. You can use it. Those of you who want to use it, you can use it. So let's just agree. You can go ahead and read the terms and conditions, but I don't want to waste much time in this video, so I'm not going to go with that. So just create account real quick. So let's wait for it to load. So it's creating the account for us. Now they said they have been sent a verification or email to my email box. I should just go and confirm it. So real quick, let me just go to my email box and guys, so you can see that this is my, I will just receive the email. Let me just open it real quick. So they have sent the email to me. Okay, so they said what, hello, please click on the button below to verify your email. So all that we are here to do is what, just to click on this button below, this verify email, and to take us to what, our page. We are, as you can see on my screen right now here, and you can see that at the top you have my name here, and it says please update your payment information. Update your payment information for your payment to be proceeded. Okay, sorry, process. So yeah, now let's just go here. Let me show you something here. As you can see here, we have some 3 things here: advertising, report, and support. And guys, the advertising, let me just click on it. We have the offers here, the offers that are going to offer you. We have the customs links here, and the report here. I thought the conversions, that means what, the number of sales that you have made and all those things, and the download, you have that downloads. And guys, the support is where you can contact them if you have any problem or you face any problem in such. So that much I said, let's just go straight. Okay, let me just scroll down. And guys, when you are here, all that you are going to do is that go ahead, set up, and just rush you through quick about how you can set the address. So when setting for the payment method, you have to give them your street number, and just give them, okay, those are my own street number. Then you save it, your country, and let your city, and let me just give them real quick street to, let me just give them something like okay, so let me just give it to them. Okay, no thanks. Now they asked me whether I would receive my money through through bank or what, mobile payment. So I would like the mobile payment, and then they requested for my number, so I have to give them my mobile number. So my number is here. Okay, that's my mobile number. And then depending for the cities in Ghana, we do use Ghana cities. That's my city there. So I'll just click on what to confirm real quick. And guys, as you can see, I have successfully set up my payment procedures, as you can see on the screen here. So all that you need to do here once again is just to go to where they have written the advertisement. Okay, here at the right corner here, where they have written advertisement, click on the advertisement and click on what, custom link real quick. Okay, now when you click on custom link, you click on the first. I think I can see here this Google e-commerce. To click on it. Okay, real quick. So now when you click on it, you can see that this Google e-commerce, these are the countries that is available in. Now you have Kenya here, you have Egypt, you have Nigeria, you have Morocco, you have Ghana. Guys, I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to do with Ghana here. So all I need to do is just to select my country. I'm really proud of my country, Ghana. So let me just click on Ghana real quick. Okay, now guys, from here, what are we going to do here? Don't worry, stick with me in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do here. But also remember this program, guys. When you're here, all that you need to do once again is just what. So let me just go to the first page, and let me just show you what we're going to do here real quick. So now we're going to the Jumia program. So guys, just type in something called Jumia. We're going to their platform. We are going to select what we think that our friends who are likely to buy, or our friends who will be ready to pay for it. That's how we are going to search for the products we think that our friends are going to buy, and what will that thing do for us, guys? That thing will help us to sell and make a lot of money. And guys, the bonus tip is coming. Yes, the bonus tip I'm going to show you is the items that I do sell online on my Facebook statue that most of my people like to buy, and all those kind of things. So they are also demanding for. But I'm not here to give them my email. I'm not here for that. I don't want them to be giving me ads. I don't want. Okay, so guys, this is the Jumia affiliate program page. As you can see, this is how they are products. This is how their sales page look like. So you can see they have a lot of products here, a lot of products that they are selling. And let me just go here. Let me just go to these three dots here. Let me show you. And guys, you can see, as you can see, these are the products that they have here. Come here. These are the products here. They have the supermarket. They have the phones and tablets. They have the health and the beauty. They have the home and office. You have electronics, you have computing and fashion and what sporting goods and a lot of baby products and gaming and auto. They have a lot of things here. And guys, the one that I do, the bonus tip I'm going to show you, and it will make you more sense, is that just go with, I'm going to show you three of them that you're going to go with. The first one is the computing, that's the laptop materials, the electronics, that's the phone accessories, the Bluetooth and all of those things. The last one is the fashion. So guys, these three things here is what most people in Ghana now need. Yes, so you can do a research about what your people in your country need. But in the title of this video, I'm going to go with what the electronics here, the computing here, and the fashions here. So those are the things that people in Ghana nowadays are interested in. So let me just go to, in this video tutorial, let me just go to, I would prefer, okay, let me just go to the fashion. Now, let's wait for it to load quick, and let me show you what we are going to do here real quick. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of kicks here, you have bags here, you have trousers here, you have a Rolex watch here, you have a lot of things that they are selling here. You can see a lot of downs which are very nice, and a lot of things which are very nice that they are selling here. And guys, I'm going to go with a kick. So I don't need to go, just go with this kick. I love this kick, so let me just click on it real quick. Okay. So guys, you can see that, so down the kick is for 60 series, which is the kick. You can see the kick is very nice. But if you don't like it, or you want a similar product, you can also go scroll down, and there will be a similar product here. I say there will be a similar product of this kick here. And now guys, when you are here, what you do is that, okay, so you can see there is a similar kick like this. So guys, when you are here, when you see this kick and you know the kick is nice and you want to buy it, all that you need to do is you have to go to the top of the browser. You are going to copy the link of the kick. So go to the top of the browser and make sure you copy the link of the kick. And when you copy the link of the kick, make sure you take a picture of this. So make sure you take a full picture of what. You can see the kick is very nice. So you take let me just take a screenshot of this kick. Real quick. And just take a screenshot of it. So let me show you how you are going to use it real quick. Okay, so real quick. Okay. Okay, so let me just take a screenshot of it. Okay, so I've taken a screenshot of this nice kick here. So make sure that I've taken maybe about 2 or 3, because I have a lot of nice pictures here about the kick. So make sure you take about 2 or 3 about this kick here. Now, somebody asked me, I said, so after that, what are you going to do? Don't worry. But after you have copied the link of the kick and you have taken the picture of the kick, the next thing you have to do here is, so after getting the link, what I need to do is just go to the Gumia account, and you're going to paste the link here. You can see you're going to paste our link here. So you're going to paste. Okay, so when you paste the link here, you can see that the page have automatically generate our advertising link for us. This is our advertising link we are going to use to promote the product. So the page have automatically generated it for us, as you can see here. Okay, and so we are going to click on this copy to copy the link of our product. And guys, what you are going to do here is that, let me just show something real quick. After copying the link of the product, select all and paste. So you can see that this is the link of the product, and guys, the link is very long. As you can see, the link is very long, so you have to shorten the link because it's very long. So guys, those who have been following me in my videos, you will know much about what you call Bitly. You will know much about what you call Bitly, because I normally use it in most of my videos. So you are going to type in what you have, or what you call Bitly. So Bitly. Now guys, before I go anything else, let me just explain. Bitly is a place that you can go and shorten your link, that it will make long link very short for you and very portable and very easy. That when you even send it to somebody, the person will be willing to click on it. Yeah, to know make the link very that much complicated. So you can see I already have accounts here. I've created a free account with them that I've been using. Wow. Oh yes. So you can see that is to show you every data of people who are clicking on your link. You can see that I have about 15 people from United States who have clicking on my link. Now it will show you every detail about what you need to know about your link here. So as you can see on the screen, so when you're here, all that you need to do is just click on the create and paste the link, paste the long link here, and just click on enter for you to generate a short link for us. You can see we have successfully generated our short link for us here. So all I need to do is just to copy our short link. When you copy our short link, we are going to, now this is a place where we are going to promote our link. We are going to send a link to people, and guys, when people buy through this link, you're going to get a commission. You're going to get a commission when people buy through this link. And that's what we mean by affiliate marketing. So they will pay you for doing that. And guys, as you can see, this is my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp I have here. So all that I need to do here is that, maybe for example, let me just go through. So let me just go through this real quick. Maybe let me just through. Okay. Maybe okay. For example, I'm sending this to my friend. Yeah, this is my friend here. So like I want to convince my friends to buy the product. So all that I need to do here, is that I'm just going to send a picture of the product. Let me just look for the picture real quick. So let me just go for pics real quick. Let's place the picture. So all that I need to do is that add our listing to it, or I can even write something. Maybe something like try and be convincing by me now. Yes, it's a tutorial. That's why I added it, to make sure that you add something that will be convincing to your friend. That if your friend see your friend will be willing to buy this product. So try and add something that will be convincing to your friend. You can even go to your status, or you can even go to your status and post it on your status real quick. So this is my status. So you can even add it to your status, and your friends will watch, and also they will even chat you that okay, the product, they will chat you about the product, that this and this and that. So guys, it's very easy to make money on WhatsApp. It's very easy to make money. So you can see I have a bunch of group here, like this group. I also have this group here. So if I want to do that, all I need to do is just to paste the link here and click on send. Okay. So it's okay, click on send, and guys, I have to write something convincing to them, so that when they see it, they will click on your link, and they will buy it. And when they buy it, you will make money from. So they said what they have write the name of the cake and where they can find the cake. So after I have pasted it, I just pasted it, and it came like this. For example, let me just go inside this group. Let me just paste it here, paste the link here. So as you can see, so the link has automatically generate it for us. And guys, you can do this. You can also go to Facebook. You can go to Facebook group and go and share this all on Facebook. And guys, before I forget to, the bonus tip that I'm going to give you is that make sure that you share this on Facebook. And guys, if you are looking for a way to, or you don't know the way you are going to share it on Facebook, come here, come to my channel, come and watch this video. Yes, come and watch this my video to show you, or it's going to show you a method. This video right here, it's the best video for you to watch. You can see the best method to make money on Facebook. So to show you how you'll be able to post the link on Facebook. So guys, without how much I said, I don't want to make this video long. If you think that you found a value in this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. And guys, I'll make sure that I'll drop videos twice in every week. Yes, I'll make sure I'll drop video twice in every week. So subscribe to my videos and watch out for more, and there will be more videos coming soon. So see you in my next video, and I'm out.